Welcome to the Macomb County Friend of the Court Parenting Time Enforcement Department's overview video on the parenting time enforcement procedure. Please note that there's a lot to parenting time enforcement, so this video is just going to be going over some of the basic and enforcement highlights. To review parenting time enforcement information, please visit the main FOC website and head to the left side of the page. If you hover over the Custody and Parenting Time tab, you'll get a drop-down menu where you can select Parenting Time Enforcement. On this page, you will find our full enforcement procedure. This page has a ton of useful information on the process, including complaints that we can and cannot enforce, information that we need from you to review your complaints, and what happens after that complaint is submitted. There are also links to different enforcement documents that you may need while using our parenting time services. The first link you come across is the Parenting Time Enforcement Overview chart. This chart breaks down the areas that we can and cannot enforce. We primarily enforce denials of court-ordered parenting time, which include failure to return, change of domicile violations, and even excessive tardiness for exchanges. There are quite a few areas that we do not have the authority to enforce on, and you can find those at the bottom of the chart. These matters must be handled by filing a motion with the court for assistance. These areas include communication, like Our Family Wizard, app close or phone calls, extracurricular activities, and more. Note that you may have a court order that has provisions that you find in this unenforceable section. And again, those may be enforceable, but they must be done by filing a motion. Heading back to the enforcement page, the next document you will come across is the Parenting Time Complaint Form and the information needed to be submitted on that form. Please take a moment to watch our video on how to complete and submit a Parenting Time Complaint Form for more information on that section. As we continue to work down the enforcement page, you will find information on what happens after a Parenting Time Complaint Form is submitted. Note that Front of the Court can decline to respond to or dismiss a complaint if certain criteria are met. If Front of the Court finds an enforceable violation has occurred and can proceed, that may look different by either a violation notice going out, a joint meeting being scheduled, or a show cause hearing being scheduled. If a show cause is scheduled, you can find information on the website about what may come as a result of that hearing. On this page, you'll also find a link for the response to a parenting time complaint form. If you find yourself on the receiving end of a violation for denial of time, please use this form to present your side to Front of the Court. Please include whether parenting time occurred or didn't, if it didn't, why not, and if you agree to make up parenting time. You can submit both your complaint form or a response to a complaint form to Front of the Court's parenting time email address or by mail, email, in person, or fax filing. Thank you for watching this video.